Jack in the Box, Key Franchise Information. Series, Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Goals, Mission, and Vision of Jack in the Box. Jack in the Box is one of the most well-known fast food brands. Since 1951, it has changed how people think about quick meals. It was started by Robert O. Peterson and became famous for its drive-through service, creative menu, and fun brand image that brings in millions of customers. Anecdote. The story of one of the first franchise owners who started in a small place inspired many others to open their own locations. How does a Jack in the Box franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Jack in the Box works like a team. People can open their own stores, but they follow the brand's rules and style. Fee structure. You need to pay around $5,000 to start, and then every month you pay 5% for royalty and 5% for marketing. Support from Jack in the Box. The company gives full training, help with running the store, and strong advertising.
Anecdote. The success of the first franchise owner inspired many young business people to try fast food too.
Entry costs for Jack in the Box. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. To open a Jack in the Box, you need between $18,600 and $4,700. This includes fees, fixing up the store, equipment, food, and training. Potential earnings. One restaurant can make about $1.9 million each year, which is great for business.
Anecdote. One person opened a store and surprised everyone with how quickly they made money and did well.
Step by step. How to register a Jack in the Box franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. You start by talking to the franchise team. They check if you're a good fit quickly. Documentation. You need to share a business plan, money documents, and info about your store's location. Duration. The full process usually takes 3 to 6 months.
Anecdote. One person finished in just 3 months and became a local hero.
Taxes and fees in Jack in the Box. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. You might pay 10% to 37% of your yearly income in taxes. Property taxes. This is 1%, 5% of what you make, depending on rent or owning the place. State and local taxes. Other taxes like sales tax are about 1%, 3% of your income. Licensing fees. These cost about 0.5%, 1% of what you make each year. Marketing fees. Around 5% of your yearly income goes to advertising.
Anecdote. One smart owner managed their taxes so well they were invited to schools to teach business math.
Hiring employees in Jack in the Box. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. A typical store has 10 to 15 workers to help run things smoothly. Training costs. It costs $300 to $700 per worker to teach them everything they need to know. Training systems. They use both real-life and online lessons to train employees.
Anecdote. Every year they have a fun contest to find the best training skills. Workers love it.
Jack in the Box. Operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information. Ingredients and resources. Food and supplies cost $15,000 to $25,000 a month. Salaries and benefits. Workers' pay is $1,000 to $2,000 monthly. Rent and utilities. Rent is $5,000 to $15,000, and utilities cost $1,000 to $3,000 each month. Maintenance and repairs. Fixing things costs $500 to $1,000 monthly. Licensing and marketing fees. You pay $3,500 to $8,000 monthly for licenses and ads. Total of all taxes. Monthly taxes add up to $3,000 to $5,000.
Anecdote. One store used smart cost controls and saved so much money they became a role model.
Training and support. How does Jack in the Box help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. A 2-3 week training program that teaches everything. Operational support. Company managers visit often to help. E-learning platform. Online training is always up to date. Marketing. Big national and local ads help stores grow.
Anecdote. After training, one owner ran a great promo and got tons of new customers.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Franchise inspections in Jack in the Box. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Every few months, people check the stores to make sure things are good. Internal inspections. Once a year, the store checks itself with help from the company. Frequency. Inspections happen 3 to 4 times a year.
Anecdote. One surprise inspection showed a store was super organized, and it became very popular.
Profitability of Jack in the Box. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Stores usually keep 10%, 20% of the money after costs. ROI. You get your money back in about 5 to 7 years. Success factors. Being in a great location, managing well, and having loyal customers are keys to success.
Anecdote. One store made back all their money in just 5 years and became a huge success story.
10. Jack in the Box in the market. How is the brand performing today? Key information. Market position. Today, there are about 2,200 Jack in the Box locations in the US and Guam. Growth and expansion. The brand is growing fast with new menus and big ads. Challenges and forecast. New tech and system updates help the brand stay strong.
Anecdote. Cool things like online orders and better drive-thrus helped sales go way up.
11. Pros and cons of a Jack in the Box franchise. What do you need to know before deciding? Key information. Pros. A. Super popular brand. B. Creative drive-thru and menu. C. Full help with running the business. D. Great chances to grow and earn. Cons. A. High startup cost, $18,106, $4,207,500. B. Ongoing fees may lower profits. C. Tough fast food competition. D. Costs of food and running the store can change.
Anecdote. One hardworking owner became the best in their area and inspired new investors.
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information. Market research. Study the market carefully for success. Financial assessment. Check your money and what you can earn. Consultations with experts. Talk to pros to avoid mistakes. Support evaluation. Make sure the company gives good help. Franchise agreement analysis. Read and understand the franchise contract.
Anecdote. One smart business person avoided big mistakes by getting help and quickly started a winning store.
Conclusion. Who is the Jack in the Box franchise for, and is it worth investing? Jack in the Box is a great choice for people who want to invest in a famous fast food brand with a strong business model. With an investment of $18,106, $4,207,500 and a 5 to 7 year payback time, it offers steady income and big growth chances in a busy market. Anecdote. One local owner not only got their money back quickly but also became a big inspiration for young business people, showing that passion and brand support can lead to amazing success. Bibliography, Franchise Times, Franchise Business Review, Franchise World, Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, the Guide to Franchises. Baskin-Robbins? Is Baskin-Robbins a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.